What up? It's your boy Seiko, and today we're gonna throw the headlights on the Civic. Yeah. So we ain't gonna put the lights on yet. He trying to clean it. We finna put the other window regulator on it. I'm gonna go pull it up right quick and get to work on it. Dang. So got the car pulled up. Check this out. This is the old window regulator, and a new one. Well, it's fairly new, but it's used. Well, it's still in good condition. And yeah, look at this plane. All right, there's the old one. Here's the new one. That one, man, that one ain't no good. You throw that away. Ain't no way bringing that back to life. So we got that one. We put this one on. Oh, that one, well, you probably would throw the screws away. That one got the screws on.
Probably keep those for transparency.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, true. But yeah, we get back to work. Got the new one on there. Alec.
Definitely trying to get 4-hour pops or whatever. Gotta pay homage to niggas that came before me first and foremost, my nigga Purr.
I think it fell off. Yeah, that's the other arm supposed to be on it. The other arm, like that one. Yeah, that one has 2 arms on it. This got 1. So we almost threw the window regulator. By 5 minutes later, got some of the screws in there. Your boy Wes over there is looking for the 10mm. But I'll show y'all progress in a minute. So we got it in here. We just need like how many bolts? 3. We need 3 more bolts. And I think we gotta go to AutoZone or either O'Reilly's. We might go to O'Reilly's and get the bolts, and it should be working. Other than that, like we got it in, it's working. So, but y'all just stay tuned. I'll give y'all an update. So now we're gonna get some bolts, 3 more bolts, and it should be good.
Okay, my music.
It don't matter. But yeah, and it should be good. And I'll show you the after, the progress afterwards of what we got done so far. But if y'all liking these videos, man, just give it a thumbs up and share. And yeah, I'm finna slide out. You ready?
Yeah.
Shout out to the boy Demo, hooked us up, So hey, it's coming along real soon. Everybody's gonna be out there, the underground cartel runners. But I'm gonna see about some banners. I might see about some banners soon, but that depends. Like whenever I get my car, and you gotta stack it up, and yeah. So we got the window in. As you can see, we got it in, and it still needs a little bit of work to it, but I think it's good enough for now. We got the new regulator in. Just need handles and door panels and stuff. And yeah, we'll test drive it. So I'm gonna end it right here. Just got through driving a little Civic and installing the regulator. So that's what all we did today was install the regulator. I don't know when y'all see this video, but hopefully soon. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, and share this and go after what you want. You know, go after that. Let's go. Man, we can go shoot these frogs. Have some frog legs tonight. You need to start eating some fried chicken.
But give me some.
All right.